Hi, I'm Aparna Katre, Principal Faculty for the Cultural Entrepreneurship Program at University of Minnesota in Duluth. I research social entrepreneurship. I had requested my friend, colleague, Mr. Mohan Naidu, to give a talk to our students who study entrepreneurship here. The goal of this talk was really to, first of all, for Mr. Naidu to share his journey with our students, but I think more importantly was to really, convey to our students that really pursuing your passion and entrepreneurship is not out of the reach for even ordinary people like us. um, and through this process really inspire students. So it was meant to be a really closed small group discussion, not a large sort of talk, and in that process have really deep discussions and conversations to educate and inform our students. And I think the session was really really helpful, because I saw students walk back later on with not just sort of understanding from the questions they asked and what they heard Mr. Naidu speak, but also, few classes down the road in my lectures, I was able to see that students actually were recollecting some of the points that he made in the discussion, and I think that somewhere it had touched them a bit. I'm hoping that 5 years down the road, I can see the students really recall and say how they picked up some of the learnings from this discussion. But it was meant to be a really small group, closed discussion, and I'm so happy that Mr. Naidu could make it work despite the time zone differences and waking up early in the morning to have this conversation and make it fun and enjoyable for our students. Thank you.